Yes, so I'm now in my screen recorder. So I will log in WordPress admin dashboard using the password and the link I sent to you earlier. So we are going to use the link, the second link, www.ugbotics.com.w So if you want to log into your admin dashboard, you use that link. Then you use the username as Achunaboy, then the password as ex@ashpatrick43896. So let me log in. Let me log in the system and show you the dashboard for WordPress, so how the back end of WordPress looks like. So here I'm just going to tap on it. Then it is saying use save password. That means I have saved the password I sent to you. So I'm not going to write it manually. It is going just to get entered automatically. So I will just tap on sign in. Then I will just sign in using the credentials I sent to you. So I have now signed in or logged in WordPress dashboard. This is how WordPress dashboard looks like. So inside here you can tap this bar here. Then we have the home. We all know the home page is the main page of our website. So the home is the main page of this dashboard or this WordPress backend. And the second one we have is dash updates. This updates here means that if you want to update maybe something in your website, you just tap on it, then see what is asking the updates. So I will tap on updates and see what is the updates all about. So here is saying you can find information about update, set auto update, see what plugin themes need updating. So they are telling us that we can update our themes, we can update our plugins, we can update our WordPress version, because at the moment we are using WordPress version 6.2. So if a new version has been updated, so we can shift to another version or the latest version of WordPress. WordPress keeps on updating their things or their version because they want to fight against hackers or these people who hack people's website. So they want to stop those kind of people from hacking into our website or hacking our website. That's why they are always releasing new versions with new security measures just to fight these hackers. So here they are saying the current version is 6.2. So we can change this one we can change this one to the latest version, but I'm not going to do it right now. And also it's saying we should reinstall WordPress, but also we are not going to reinstall WordPress from right now. So we can go to the dashboard. Then the next one is flag. This flag here is the theme we are using. So in WordPress we have something called themes. So theme is like a template, a website template that you're supposed to install in order for you to build a website using WordPress. So a template, you can a pre-designed website that you can just edit some of its content, the name of the website, and you get everything done. Like this flag is the one which is carrying the electronic template you can see on your website. This is a theme called flag. I have just installed it the day I installed also WordPress. So this flag here, you can even change flag, then you can install another theme. So I'm going to show you that one later. Then after flag we have something called pause. On WordPress or on WordPress website. You can post updates. You can post anything. You can write about maybe about anything happening in Uganda. You can write news. You can post any update. You can even write a tutorial. You can write an article. Then that one is called a post. Just like the social media you use, the Facebook. When you update any post, you write something is happening to me or something happened in Uganda, then you try to post. So also in WordPress, if you want to post, you can just tap there, you add new post, then you publish the post. As soon as you have published the post, it will get displayed in your WordPress homepage, depending on the settings you have chosen. Then the next one, there we have media. So this media here is when you want to upload photos, if you want to upload videos. Yes, if you want to upload photos, if you want to upload videos, you can just tap on media, you tap upload, then you upload maybe your photo or your video. If you want to embed videos or a photo in your WordPress website, you can just tap there, you upload it from your phone or from your computer. Then next one is something called pages. So WordPress has a lot of pages. You can even create more pages. Example pages can be about us page, home page, privacy policy page, contact us form contact page, and all those things. So you can create pages using this one. You can even create as many as possible. You can create, you are not limited on creating posts. You're not limited. They don't limit you from creating pages. Then the next one we have is comments. So here, when people comment on your website, you will see it from here. Maybe you have posted something very interesting and someone comments, then you're going to see it from here. Then the next one is contact. Your contact, your email address, your phone number is your contact. You can add them by tapping contact. Then the next one on the list, we have something called WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is a plugin. This plugin helps in selling products online. If you can see on your website, we have the products, the microphone, the headset, that someone can buy or can order. So all those things, all the products were created using this WooCommerce. This WooCommerce is the plugin that powers many e-commerce websites, even downloadable.shop. The books you see from on my website, I created them using WooCommerce because WooCommerce is very good if you are creating an e-commerce website, like the way we are going to do this thing. If you want to add products, we are going to come here. So we can even see orders, customers, open code. You can even give discount promotional codes, report about your shop or how your shop is performing, how many people have bought you products, the setting, the status, the extension. We are going to talk about that one later. Then the next one we have is products. This products here is linked to WooCommerce because products belong to WooCommerce. Because you create a product, then when someone buys, it uses WooCommerce payment gateway. So WooCommerce can make you to link your bank account, you can link your mobile money so that whenever someone buys, using money goes directly into your bank account or can go directly to your mobile money account. It depends on the payment gateway you will be using to accept payment on your website. That's when MTN and Airtel comes in, and something called mobile money API. We are going to talk about that one later. And also we have analytics. This one is the status, how people are visiting your website, how many sales you are making, how many page viewers you are receiving. You can check it under analytics here. Then the next one we have is marketing, still under WooCommerce. This marketing, we have coupon code, promotional code that you can give to the people. You can say I'm giving a discount of 30%. So if you buy it, you are going to get that discount. So it gives you a coupon code that you can give to your customers. So you can decide 50%, you can put 70. So whenever someone buys using the coupon code you have created, then the price will reduce. Then the next one we have Elementor. Elementor is a plugin. Elementor is a plugin used for designing websites or used for designing pages. Elementor is not WordPress, but Elementor is just a theme used for designing pages. You can design your own page using Elementor because it accepts drag and drop. You can just drag a contact, assuming you want to design a contact page, just drag a contact form, you just put it, you embed it, and it looks nice. But that one needs a computer for me to demonstrate it live. Needs a computer for me to demonstrate how Elementor works because it doesn't work on the phone. Even if you're using an iPhone or what, it will not work. It's going to be very complicated for you to use Elementor on the phone. It doesn't accept mobile phone if you're using Elementor to design website. Then I don't know how we are going to do that because Elementor doesn't work on a mobile phone. So you have to use a computer if you want to design your own page or your pages using Elementor, because Elementor is one of the largest or one of the biggest WordPress page builder that we know, and it's very good. It's very good. So the next one we have is setting the roles and all those things. They are still under Elementor. Then we have the templates. This template comes with the flag or the flag theme that we have installed. The one we are using right now comes with this template, the theme builder, landing page, kit, library, pops in, add new. This one comes automatically with this flag here that we are seeing here. So in a normal WordPress dashboard, you will not find this one. But if you install this flag, you are going to find this item here called template. Then the next one is called appearance. So this appearance, we have themes, we have customize, we have widgets, we have menu, we have theme file editor. So under this appearance, you can choose themes. So themes, they are template, the pre-built or a pre-designed template or a WordPress a website template where you can just install, then you customize. Like the one we are using is called Flag. Flag is a theme. It's a pre-designed template for a website. So I just install it so we can just customize to suit our needs or how we want our website to appear. That one is for electronics or for selling headphone, headset, and all those, but we can customize it and put our clauses or our clauses there. So a theme is just a pre-designed template for a website. So if you want to change the theme, you can just come here under themes. After coming to theme, you can see some of the themes. The flag, the one we have installed, is called flag. So if you want to customize, you just click here, then you customize it. And the next one we have is 2023, the latest for this year, but it's not nice. But if you want to add or if you want to install a new theme, you can just come here and click add new theme. So here you can even upload your theme if maybe you have downloaded from the internet. You can click here and you upload. But if you just want to search, you can just search shop. Assuming I want to install a theme related to a shop website, I will just search shop, then they will start appearing. So from here I will just choose any theme that is good to me or I have like. I just choose any. Then after choosing it, I'll click on install. And after installing, I'll activate. Then you will see that the theme we have installed has disappeared. and this is how you install SIMs. So let's go to the next item. So the next item here we have is plugins. So plugin is just software or a content, or I can call it as small softwares used in WordPress. WordPress has millions of plugins. WordPress has very many plugins. So here you can install plugin, add new, and pay plugin file editor. If you know coding, if you know programming very well, you can even edit plugin file, or you can edit plugin file. The file that was the codes that were used for building a plugin. You can even edit them if you know PHP very well. PHP is a programming language used for building website. Even WordPress was built using PHP. So from here, a plugin is used to make our website has more functionalities. Like assuming if you want to add a contact page, if you want to accept mobile money payment, you install a plugin called a payment gateway. Yes. So if you want to install a plugin, you can just click add new plugin. Yes, then after that I will now search for the name of the plugin. So for example, I want to install EasyPay. EasyPay is a plugin that helps us to accept mobile money payment on our website in Uganda here. Very many countries have different payment gateway. So this one is a plugin that helps us to accept mobile money payment on our website. So if someone want to buy things from our website using mobile money, then we should install this one called the theme called EasyPay. So I will install. After searching for it, you just click on install. So you can even read the description. Allow mobile money, MTN, Airtel, M-Center, AfriCell Money, Visa and MasterCard payment within your WooCommerce store. So this plugin works alongside WooCommerce because WooCommerce is the one of the plugins that help in building e-commerce website or stores or shops online where you list your products and people can order it. So this plugin is integrated with WooCommerce, so that when you list a product using WooCommerce and someone want to buy, then the person have to pay using mobile money. Then this where this EasyPay comes in. So after installing, you click on activate to make it to be active. Because if you just install it, you leave it, then it's going to be very hard for you. Yes. So I've activated, and it's asking me to sign in or to log in. So I have my number. I can log in because I've registered for it. So I can log in. After login, I can log in to this plugin. Yes, it say your phone number already exists, but I'm not going to log in because this is your website. My account is linked to my website called downloadable.shop. But this is how you do it. This is how you install a plugin. I will uninstall this plugin, and I require you to watch this video, then you install for me this same plugin. I will go up here, then I will come to dashboard. Then I'll come to plugins, install plugins. After coming to install plugin, I'll come to deactivate. I will require you to install for me this plugin called EasyPay Mobile Money. After watching this video, I will ask you to install for me this plugin because I will delete it, like I've now deleted, so it's now gone. So after watching this video, make sure to install for me this plugin called EasyPay Mobile Money. successfully install it and activate it. So that's how you install a plugin. So after installing that plugin, you can link your phone number. So whenever someone buys anything on your platform or on your website, the money goes directly into your EasyPay account, where you can withdraw it to your mobile money account or your bank account. That's how a plugin works. A plugin is just a simple software that makes our life easy while we're using WordPress, because it is our way of coding. If we are just going to code this API using JavaScript, PHP, it will take even month or even 6 months or even a year just configuring how we can code a program that can do this. But with WordPress, you can just install a plugin. Then after installing a plugin, you can just click the button. The things get connected. Then you start transacting. That's all about plugin. We have very many plugins that do very many things. Even WooCommerce a plugin. Yes. Even social media, CS, SEO, we have plugins that can help us in optimizing our website, making it appear in Google search engine. Yes. So here we have users. If you maybe want to assign roles to very many users, you can just come here, you create user, you want someone, maybe your friend, to have access to the account or to your website, so that your friend can also help you in editing your website. You can add it as a user. You can add him as a contributor, as an editor, and as a admin or a moderator. But the role you are going to give, it limits some people, or the person, from accessing your main dashboard. Because you can add someone, then the person maybe has an evil intention, then the person can destroy your website or can even hack your website, because people are not trusted. You may create for someone account, then you make him to log into your website, but that person maybe can decide then crash the website or hack it. So under these users, you can add someone, a friend or your wife, for you also to have access to your website using her account or using his account, depending if the person is your friend or your wife. So the next one we have on the list here, we have something called tools. Under these tools here, we have something called import and export. Assuming you have built a website using HTML, using Blogger, or you have content in other websites that you want to import, you want to bring it in your WordPress dashboard, you can just click import, then you import the content from other websites, or from Blogger, or from WordPress.com, or from blogspot.com. You can install it here. You can just import it, then you make it install in your website. And also you can export. If you want to back up your website, you want to stay protected, you want to maybe store some of your website files, so that whenever your website crash or your website gets down or get hacked by someone, you still have a backup. Then you can export your website. Yes. Because I'm clicking export, that means I can export even posts, pages, landing pages, my template, products, variation, orders, refund, coupon, contact form, mailship, sign-in form, media, and all those. I can choose which one I want to export, so that I can save in my computer. Whenever someone asks my website, or my website gets down, I can just reinstall or import, then everything gets live or gets into my website again. Because you cannot decide the future. Everyone doesn't know. You cannot predict what is going to happen in the future. Maybe your website can just crash one day. Then maybe if you have not backup, you have not stored your website files, then you're going to lose everything on the platform or on your website. So that's how import and export work. Then site L is just talking about your website. Is your website secured? Is it working properly? Then you check something called site health. You can even erase personal data. You can even delete everything on the website. Here you can see erase personal data and all those. That's under tools. Then the next one here we have is called settings. So under this setting here we have general setting, we have writing, we have reading, we have discussion, we have media, we have permalinks, we have privacy. So under general setting here, we can click here under general setting. Then under general setting we have our site title, which is ugboutiques. Then we have our tagline that we can even edit from here. It's saying just another WordPress site, but we can even edit that and make best clothes in Uganda. So this our tagline is just like a slogan for our business. Yes, you can say best clothes in Uganda, or the best clothes in Uganda. Then from there we have the WordPress URL. This is just your website address. Then maybe I'm going to record later. Thank you so much for your time. I'll send you this video, then you install for me that website. You follow along. I've been explaining. You can even tweaking. You can even try installing plugin, try posting things and all that. Then you let me know in WhatsApp on WhatsApp. Thank you.